Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be creating this glitter slash shimmer eye makeup look, and if you have watched my previous video, you already knew that this video was coming as a part 2. Why as part 2? Because in this, I'll be converting this no makeup look into the glitter eye look. So moving on to the look, I already have the base color on. So I'll now be applying the shade No Exit from the eyeshadow palette Makeup Revolution into Patricia Bright. And guys, the key is to blend with a light hand, so take your time. I'm only going to use this single shade all over my eyelid. And guys, if you haven't watched my previous video, I have linked it in the description below along with the products that I am using in this video today. So don't forget to check the description box. Now I'll be using shade Model for my liner. And someone from my Snapchat wanted me to use both these shades and create a look, so here it is. Now I'll be using the same shade Model and I'll be applying it to my lower lash line, and I'm blending it out with my liner's wing. And guys, while you are watching the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon to get notified every time I post. Now moving on, I am taking shade Elegant. I am using it on my upper eyelid to clean things out and clean the liner's wing as well. Now I'll be taking shade Ugly Naked Guy from Makeup Revolution into Friends eyeshadow palette, and I'm highlighting my inner eye corner. For blush, I am using Daughter Earth tint, and I'll redo my blush and few other steps for more brightened up look because it's been almost 9 to 10 hours since I did that no makeup look. Now I am blending it with my beauty blender, and you already know the trick, and if you don't, you need to watch my no makeup look video. Moving on to the highlighter, I am taking the Friends palette again and using the shade Ugly Naked Guy. Now moving on for mascara, as I already had mascara on, I'll only be going on with one more coat for more of a heavier look. And I'm done. For gloss, using Paese Cosmetics in shade Sultry. I didn't change my lip color because I'm more into this gloss nowadays, but you can if you want a completely different look. Also, this tutorial is really helpful when you want to switch looks between any of your functions or thing. So this was it for today's video. I hope you love this look and I hope this would be helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.